Okay, ready?
Go.
Yeah, I just don't know what to say.
You tell me what happened to you today in the third hole.
The first hole I made a birdie, then I made a double bogey, then I hit an 8 iron off the tee. It rolled and spun back, and then there
And it
was the
spun
hole.
back and
Yeah.
went into the hole.
Yeah,
Okay.
and that's it.
Is that your, what is, do you know how long the hole was that you played?
Like 80, like 90.
90 meters?
Yeah.
Okay, and that's your first hole in one?
Yes.
How did you feel when you made it?
Quite good.
Quite good.
Yeah.
Looking forward to the next one, eh?
Yes.
Okay, so that helped your score today? Your first nine, what did you shoot in the first nine?
37,
Yes.
and I'm not sure about this line.
Your dad says you were kind of also good until you made a mess the last 2 holes or 3 holes, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, congratulations with the hole in one and many more, okay? See you soon.